Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of macrame with what we believe is the best macrame kit available in the market. Introducing the MIGO Macramé Kits for adults beginners. This all-inclusive DIY kit is designed to unleash your creativity and dive headfirst into the art of macrame. With 126 macrame supplies and a comprehensive 7 projects ebook, this kit is a treasure trove for beginners and DIY enthusiasts alike. From 165 yards of 3mm cotton rope to wooden beads and rings, dowels, and essential tools like measuring tape and needle threader, this kit has everything you need to get started. But what sets this kit apart is the included ebook featuring 7 macrame patterns with tutorials. Whether you're looking to create a stunning wall hanging, a stylish plant hanger, or even a decorative keychain, this ebook has you covered. Plus, with video tutorials included, learning the art of macrame has never been easier. But it's not just about crafting, it's about embracing creativity and finding joy in the process. That's why this kit is the perfect gateway to a world of artistic expression. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the therapeutic nature of knotting and crafting with macrame is truly unparalleled. So, whether you're looking for a new hobby or searching for the perfect gift for a crafty friend, the MIGO Macramé Kit has you covered. With its high-quality materials, comprehensive tutorials, and endless creative possibilities, this kit is a must-have for anyone looking to explore the art of macrame. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques and reviews. Until next time, happy crafting!